have to say in the last 3, 4, 5 annual meetings, you can just see it exploding, meaning things that were talked about as wouldn't it be good if people realise are now sort of like, oh, I've got an app now, can I just show you what I've got? It's like, oh, that's pretty good, you could do this to it. So the encouraging of that line of thinking and then broadening the content of the continuing professional legal education skill set. I mean, enough already with the law. We know that it's complicated. There's no way a human being... business lawyers do not know all business law. All business lawyers know that. You'll never see that in print. It's impossible to know business law. There's too much of it. And yet every problem that comes in, it's not a cute little corporation setting up problem or a cute little trademark problem. It's a myriad of things. So the skill set to manage all of this information, and it's beyond knowledge management.
If you think about any sort of litigation where there's a relatively large amount of discovery, there's going to be an external provider, used, and so that is a form of unbundling. And what that really raises is, okay, it's only part of the litigation, and in many ways they're not making strategic litigation decisions, but they are responsible for saying, yes, we've found all the documents, that meet the court's orders in relation to discovery. But that's where it comes back to the need to coordinate the service. So you unbundle and you're able to access particular services more cheaply, and you may be getting greater expertise. But the lawyer that's actually running that piece of litigation, from the court's perspective, they're on the hook for that discovery. And so that's why you need that coordination, which in itself creates another cost. Now, I'm not saying it's a cost that would be anywhere near commensurate with what's being saved, but it's got to be understood that you do need to manage the process. And maybe that's an in-house lawyer that's doing it, maybe it's the lawyer in the law firm. The way that litigation's currently conducted, it's the solicitor on the record. The solicitor on the record would come from the law firm. They would be the person that would have to make sure they did that coordination.